Yon, nasa na yung mga heart emoji? Yes, ang gagaling. Palakpakan natin si FC Mariafe, Intong Coach Mariafe. Ang galing ng intro mo. Maayos. Hindi ka nininervous. Bigyan natin siya ng virtual clap. Ako, nagpumapalakpak sa harap ninyo. Galing, galing. Hindi siya kabado. Ayos. Anyway, first of all, I doubt our president is tuned in right now. I'm very sure they are having some good times in the house. So kami, I'm here in the office ngayon with some MCs and with some distributors and dealers of MCOR. We katatapos lang namin ng meeting. Grabe, exciting yung mga parating na news about MCOR, kung paano tayo raratrat, babanat, paano natin i-conquer ang Pilipinas. Grabe. And kung hindi ka pa kumikita ng malupit using the easy package or the easy entry, nako, gawin mo na yan. Huwag ka magpapahuli. Tanong ko dyan, payag ka ba kunin ng iba yung kapitbahay mo? Di ba? Payag ka rin ba na maalok ng easy yung mga kapamilya mo? Siyempre, hindi. Okay? And before that, okay, product training tayo ngayon. So to start, no, thank you for the good prayer. And I think we are now blessed. Hello sa ating presidente, hello sa MMCs, and hello sa ating mga MCs, and hello sa lahat ng dealers. Kung nasan man kayo ngayon, we hope that you are having a nice time and continue being blessed, okay? And stay being blessed and continue being a blessing to others. So without further ado, I'll be sharing my screen. We're going to have our product training. This is all about Restore. Yan. Okay, talking about Restore. Huwag na kayong magta-type. Huwag kayong magta-type. Sino sa inyo ang madalas dinadalaw ng constipation? Huwag na kayo magta-type. Sino dito yung palaging nagkakaroon ng skin issues, may makati sa balat, okay? Sa taguman o sa nakalabas na balat, exposed na balat, okay? So sino din dito yung madalas dinadalaw ng UTI? Okay? So pakinggan niyo yung aming i-deliver ngayon tungkol dito sa ating 24 Green Restore. Napakaganda nitong ating Restore kung maunawaan natin. Okay, listen, saglit lang po ito. Let me start. Okay. Yan. There are 3 powerful ingredients of Restore. Okay? Number 1 is goji berry. Number 2 is the barley grass. No? Yung barley, familiar naman kayo sa barley. Then number 3 is the wheatgrass. Okay? And stevia is our natural sweetener. So wala kayong iisipin or iintindihin tungkol sa kung ikaw ay mataas sa blood sugar o may issue ka sa blood sugar. Because we are using stevia dito sa ating Restore. So now, giving you some history about our Restore or about the ingredients of Restore. Number 1 is about goji berries. Ang goji berry po ay na-discover ang potency nito during ancient times. Mga emperors lang po ang umiinom nito way back 550 BCE. Well, what is BCE? Before Christian era or before Common Era. So before Christ pa ito. Dati BC lang yan, before Christ. Ngayon, ginawa nilang generalize nila kaya naging BCE. So before Christian era. But it was only in the but it was only in the 16th century when a Chinese herbalist, okay, named Li Shizhen, who had an in-depth and extolled meaning yung expounded, no? Expounded numerous benefits of goji berry. Actually, in goji berry, there was a company here who introduced goji berry. This is one berry na malupit, malakas na anti-cancer. So automatically, goji berry tumatak sa isip ng mga tao o ng mga Pilipino na malupit yan sa cancer. Number 2, yung history ng ating barley grass. Kailan ba ito na-discover or na-cultivate? Ancient Egyptians, yung kanina Chinese emperors. Ngayon, ancient Egyptians discovered barley as part of their meal, bread. Di ba? Barley bread. Way back, listen, way back 10,000 BCE, before Christian era. Okay? There was a doctor in Japan. Okay? That was 20 years ago. Or ito lang, recent lang ito. Named Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara found out that the health potencies of barley grass. Okay. Ito nga siya ngayon yung sumisikat o nagpasikat ng barley grass. Then invented its powder form. Yung barley grass siya yung nag-convert to na maging powder. Now, nakuha niya yung potency ng barley grass. Okay? So, again, yung wheatgrass naman. So, wheatgrass was cultivated way back 5,000 BCE and later spread to Europe and China. So, and then Charles Schnabel, paano ba ito bagitin? Charles Schnabel discovered the potency of wheatgrass. Kung mapapansin natin, all of the ingredients of our Restore, lahat yan malupit. Lahat yan very potent. And lahat yan proven and tested way back. Way back pa. Sobrang tagal na. Okay? Sobrang tagal na. Ginamit pala ito ng mga emperors and ng mga kilalang tao sa kanilang panahon. Okay? So, let's talk about goji. Okay, goji berry. Goji is a berry, it's a fruit. Okay? So kung makikita niyo dito sa picture natin, kulay red siya and okay, yung nasa gitna, hindi po siya dried. Iba yung dried or freeze drying. Ang dried, medyo nawo-water, meron yung tinatawag na water down system. Yung freeze drying is different. Ang freeze drying, medyo mahal na process yan. Freeze drying is, ang tawag nito, yung potency niyan, around 80 to 90% na retain. So it is in our Restore. Now, goji berry. So benefits po ng ating goji berry. It boosts immune system and it fights flu, or meron tong flu protection system or formula, yung ating goji berry. Number 2, it aids in weight loss. So maganda rin na ito na pampapayat, yung ating goji berry. And it is very rich in antioxidants, especially for the eyes and skin. Balikan ko yung sa eyes, no? Sa eyes. Kung marami siyang antioxidant or very rich in antioxidants for the eyes, meaning mataas ito sa lutein. So, yun lang naman ang vitamins na malupit sa eyes, maliban sa kalabasa na alam natin. So, lutein is very rich in our goji. Now, it also helps, goji also helps in maintaining our blood sugar. So, if there are people who has issues in terms of their irregular blood sugar number or count, use our Restore, or meron siya kasing goji. Now, para sa mga kalalakihan, ang goji pala increases our testosterone. Okay? As I remember, there was a testimony na gumamit lang siya ng goji, no? Hindi naman siya talagang baog. Pero hindi sila magkaanak. And then the couple find out na ang may issue yung lalaki. And then he started taking goji berry. Okay? Yung ibang product na goji, very rich in goji. Tumaas ang testosterone niya. So nagkaroon sila ng at least isang anak. And because of goji. It is in our Restore. Okay? Then what nutrition or nutritional intake could we get from goji? Goji berries are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including mataas din po ito sa vitamin C. It has natural fiber, kaya maganda siyang pampapayat yung ating goji. And then iron, mataas sa iron, mataas sa vitamin C, mataas sa zinc. And zinc is best for cardiovascular issues. Okay? So kaya pala yung ating Restore, napakaganda niyan. Very holistic ang approach, especially mixed or twined or combined with our vitamin C, 24-alkaline C. And it is very rich in powerful antioxidants. This is all about goji. And yan ay isa sa sangkap or ingredient ng ating Restore. So, another ingredient ng Restore is the widely used barley grass. Okay. Barley grass. Okay. Ang barley grass, ang barley grass ay mismong yung damo. Ang difference sa wheatgrass, yung mismong shoots ang kinukuha. Ang barley grass, yung mismong grass, ang mismong kinukultivate para ito ma-convert o magamit para sa ating product. Now, benefits of barley grass. Listen. It has powerful antioxidant, pareho ng goji. Okay? Okay, o ulcerative, okay din ito sa tinatawag na ulcerative colitis. Ano ba itong ulcerative colitis? This is an issue sa stomach. Okay? Pagka may ulcerative colitis ka, hindi ito makikita sa QRMA. May kita to sa laboratory. But sa QRMA, lalabas ito na meron kang issue sa stomach. Makikita natin ito. So, Restore, kaya ang Restore ginagamit namin for stomach cleansing, gastro cleansing, and large intestine cleansing. Napakaganda nitong ating Restore, especially kasi because of the barley grass in it. So, it also works as an antidepressant. Okay. May happy hormone, parang nag-release siya ng happy hormone, or ina-activate niya, or ini-enhance niya yung happy hormone sa katawan natin. So, meron siyang antidepressant. It also helps boost our immune system. Kaya pala, you know that barley alone can give you a good well-being in terms of health, no? In terms of health. So it boosts our immune system. It also acts as a detoxifier. Okay, here in MCore, kilala ang ating Restore na pag-detoxify, especially pag-detoxify ng ating small and large intestine. Small and large intestine. Napakagaling ito pang cleansing. Okay? It also helps prevent cancer. Well, we're talking about barley. It helps prevent cancer. It protects against UV radiation. Yung ating skin, ini-enhance yung melanin sa ating skin. And the melanin is at least the 3rd or 4th level of our skin. And it is also good for acid reflux. Ang acid reflux po ay gastro issue. Okay, gastro issue. Paano ba yung acid? Merong ating tinatawag na GERD. Yung GERD, it's a form of acid reflux. Yung umaangat, humahapdi yung sikmura mo, umaangat hanggang sa iyong lalamunan. Minsan dinidigay mo, maasim. Minsan, hindi mo nadidigay, sumasakit ang dibdib mo. Ganyan po ang effect or bad effect ng acid reflux. And barley also helps fight addiction. Well, wait. Bakit it helps fight addiction? Remember, addiction in any form, at maliban sa addiction sa sugal, no? Addiction in any form, yung smoking, drugs, or anything na addict ka sa food, sa intake. Ito ay napakagaling na panlaban sa addiction. Kasi bakit? It also helps detoxify our liver. Okay, remember, ang toxin level natin sa liver yan mapapansin o makikita. Doon siya magre-register. Because our liver is the largest filtration organ in our body. Now, it fights addiction. Combined with vitamin C or with our 24-alkaline C, ginagamit ito ng mga rehabilitation centers to fight addiction, to lower the toxin in our liver. Lalo doon sa mga addict. Okay? Addict sa smoking and sa mga drugs. Ginagamit nila ito. Totoo yan. Barley together with our 24-alkaline C or the sodium ascorbate per se. So, barley also helps prevent the signs of aging. Skin issues naman to. Kung gusto mong kung hindi ka nagdalawin ng kulubot, fine lines and wrinkles, always take our Restore kasi it has also barley. Now, barley helps boost red blood cell production. Okay, wala yung word na to. It helps boost our red blood cell. Nakilala si barley because in pagdating sa dugo, in blood cleansing, in blood rejuvenation. Bakit? Kasama ito, pareho sila ng function ni wheatgrass. Kasi bakit? It has, according to sa research, pareho ng molecular structure ng dugo ng tao, ng red blood cell, ang barley. So, ini-enhance ni barley yung production ng red blood cell sa atin. Again, saan anong pinalalakas na part ni barley kung nagpo-produce ng red blood cell? Remember, it is our bone marrow. It is our bone marrow who produces red blood cell. Okay. So, ini-enhance din niya, pinalalakas din niya yung well-being ng ating bone marrow. And bone marrow is all over our skeleton. So, it's all over our body. It also helps relieve migraines. Kaya pala, merong, anong explanation dito? Bakit it helps relieve migraines? Okay. Because, nakakatulong din ito, maliban sa ating 24 alkaline C, to alkalize our system. Barley in Restore is also considered a blood thinner. Blood thinner. Okay, kung malabot, yung mga nagko-QRMA dito, yung mga nag-check up using our quantum resonance magnetic analyzer or the QRMA. When you say blood thinner, pag nakita natin o na-check up natin o na-evaluate natin o na-assess natin yung ating pasyente, ating client, na ang blood viscosity niya malapot, makakatulong ito kasi ang atake nito sa blood. So barley in our Restore in blood thinning. So yung blood viscosity na babawasan, nawawala hanggang normal. Again, it also aids, barley, aids in maintaining cardiovascular health. Okay? That explains why. Yung ating dugo ay lumalabnaw. So nagkakaroon ng well-being pati yung ating cardiovascular system and the whole of our body. So barley also aids in maintaining normal blood sugar. So may mga testimonya tayo na nag-normalize yung blood sugar nila together or combined with our 24 alkaline C and our Restore. Okay. So barley grass, ano ba yung mga nutritional values na makukuha natin sa barley grass? So large amounts of vitamins and minerals are found in barley grass. Okay? Ang nakadiscover ito yung Hapon, si Dr. Hagiwara. Okay. Tingnan natin. Mataas pala ito sa potassium. Before I continue, tatatandaan nyo when I present yung especially sa QRMA, our cell or bawat cell sa katawan natin needs at least 96 to 98 vitamins, minerals, and nutrients para maging healthy yung isang cell. Para maging healthy ang isang cell, kailangan niyang maka-absorb ng 96 to 98 nutrients. And tignan natin kung gaano karami ang nutritional value na makukuha natin dito sa barley grass. Okay, in our Restore. So meron siyang potassium, meron siyang calcium, magnesium. Ano bang function ng magnesium? Alam natin ang calcium is best for the bones. Potassium is best for our muscles. Magnesium is also for the muscles, nerves, and protection of DNA. Ang magnesium also protects the cell. Yung cellular membrane, yung skin ng bawat cell, ginagawa niyang matibay yan para hindi makapenetrate dyan yung mga free radicals, yung mga bacteria, microbes, viruses. So, yan ang meron sa barley na nasa Restore natin. And it also has iron, copper. Copper is a good blood conditioner. Copper. So, meron si ating barley in our Restore. So, may phosphorus siya. Listen, barley is also good for our teeth and bones. Not just calcium. No? Kasi bakit? Ini-enhance ang phosphorus ang vitamin D3. Meron din siyang nakakatulong ang phosphorus to produce vitamin D3. Meron yan sa ating Restore. Manganese. Manganese is also good for the bones and hair. And nakalagay dito sex. Manganese enhances sex fertility, enhances sex o sexuality. Okay? Medyo pinatatas ng manganese ang libido. Meron yan sa ating barley grass na nasa Restore. Okay. Zinc is good for the cardiovascular system. Beta-carotene, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin C is also in barley na nasa Restore. Folic acid is good for the cardiovascular system, good for the brain. Pantothenic acid is also good for the brain and also for the heart. Or the myocardial muscles outside the heart. Okay? Now, listen to this. Nasa isang slide, no? Barley grass is also said to have, listen, 30 times more vitamin C. Iyan yung nasa Restore natin, sa 24 Restore o Green Restore. It also has 11 times the amount of calcium than milk. Grabe. So, mag-restore ka lang para ka nang uminom. Isang sachet, yan ang makukuha nating nutrition. Sa goji, sa barley, wait, there's more. Meron pa. No? 6.5 times as much carotene. Nearly 5 times the iron content as that of spinach. Okay? Yan si barley na nasa restore. Close to 7 times the vitamin C as in oranges. It is also has 4 times the vitamin B1 as in whole wheat flour. Grabe, no? Nasa restore yan. And 80 micrograms. Sinek ko lang micrograms. 80 micrograms vitamin B12 per 100 grams of dried barley grass juice. Listen, 80 micrograms. Our body needs only at least in one day 2.4 micrograms. Pero itong barley na nasa restore natin, meron siyang 80 micrograms of vitamin B12. And that's all about barley. Tingnan naman natin si wheatgrass. Grabe. So, pagkakamalan mo na pareho si wheatgrass at saka si barley. Si barley, baliktad ka lang kanina, shoots yan. Si wheatgrass, yan yung pinakadamo. Si wheatgrass, yan yung pinakadamo. Okay? Si barley, siya yung shoots, hina-harvest yung shoots. Okay, now, we go to the benefits of wheatgrass. Wheatgrass helps reduce cholesterol. O yung may mga, di ba pag nag-check up tayo, nag-assessment tayo, nag-evaluate tayo, may cholesterol issue, we will not say, mataas ang cholesterol mo, o grabe yung cholesterol mo. We will not say that. May cholesterol issue tayo. Okay pala yung wheatgrass. Nasa restore natin yan. Isa lang yan sa ingredient ng ating restore. Kaya we recommend restore. Okay, wheatgrass also helps in minimizing the risk of cancer. So yung mga na-check up natin o na-check up ninyo na medyo may issue sa breast, merong mga tinatawag na bukol or PCOS or konting polyps, pwede to. Pwede si restore. Pwede. Okay? So, it also helps treat diabetes. Listen, si Goji, nire-regulate niya o nini-normalize niya yung blood sugar mo. Ganon din si wheatgrass. It also helps treat diabetes. Treat, So meaning, meron itong clinical study, ang wheatgrass na nakakagaling ng diabetes. Yan yung nasa restore natin. Okay? It also lessens inflammation. Pamamaga. Remember, ang sakit po ng tao, nag-uumpisa yan sa inflammation of the cell. And then pag ang cells natin, o ang cell, o one cell in out of the millions of cell or billions of cell, pag mamamaga muna ang isa, pag namagayan, puputok yan. Okay? Kung makikita nyo lang sa live blood analysis, ang cell pag pumutok na, no, free radical na yan. Bakit? Ang itsura niyan mukhang rambutan. I'm sure nakakita na kayo ng rambutan. So ganun ang itsura niyan. Automatically, dead cell na yan. So it helps lessen inflammation. Hindi na siya mamamaga ang mga cells natin. Nasa restore natin yan because of wheatgrass. It also aids in weight loss. Again, weight loss, maganda pa lang pang maintain ng ating fighting weight or normal weight si restore. Kasi bakit? Goji and wheatgrass, ganun ang kanyang effect sa katawan natin. And wheatgrass also helps improve our digestive system. Yung mga hindi basta matunawan, okay? Kumakain, bloated agad. Okay. Pagkakain, na-check up natin na may issue sa pancreas. Alam nyo kung sino kayo. Pag nakita natin merong inflammation of the pancreas, ibig sabihin hindi maganda yung panunaw mo, nasa sa gastrointestinal issue yan. Meron kang gastrointestinal issue. Nasa small intestine yan. Okay? So, nakakatulong si wheatgrass in our restore, nakakatulong sa pagbibigay ng maayos na digestive result. It also helps boost metabolism. Tama ito. No? Umaayos yung ating mga panunaw. Okay? So it improves immune system. Helps improves immune system. Very good. Kasi bakit? Ini-improve niya dahil ang atake nito holistic. Yung restore, grabe. I'm only talking about wheatgrass. But wheatgrass is only one of the 3 ingredients na nasa restore natin. Oh? It aids in normal blood pressure. So there was a patient or a client of mine or ours na nag-claim sila na bumaba ang kanilang blood pressure. In using our restore together with our 24 alkaline C. It also it helps treat arthritis. Galing ano? Sa mga may joint pains, recommend restore. Kasi bakit? Wheatgrass is there. Okay? It helps yung mga may rheumatism, yung papunta na sa gout, napakalaking bagay ni restore natin. So, wheatgrass helps improve cognitive function, brain function. Cognitive meaning yung mabilis kang maka-identify. Okay? So, yung ating restore, hindi lang po ito pang may edad na. Hindi lang ito pang 21 years old pataas. Pwede ito sa mga bata. If you listen, yung mga anak natin, bigyan natin ng restore. Kasi bakit? Yung brain function, yung cognitive function nakakatulong yan, especially sa mga papalaki pa lang, yung umiinom na ng juice, mga 3 years old pataas. No? So makakatulong yan in developing their cognitive functions. Nasa brain po yun. Restore. Okay? It also boosts energy level. Kaya nga, remember, it boosts our energy level. So meron siyang tinutulungan ni Restore through this wheatgrass na yung ma-activate, ma-motivate yung ating happy hormone. So malaking bagay yun para lagi kang positive. So wheatgrass also helps treat kidney issues. Oh, hindi lang pala ito sa gastro, hindi lang pala sa large intestine. So yung ating Restore also helps treat our kidney issues, especially may mga number 1 yung UTI. Lalo yung mga stone formers sa at nakilala ninyo, recommend our Restore. Okay? So it helps improve skin health at the same time. And that is our wheatgrass. Now, what can we get from wheatgrass? Ano bang nutritional value na meron dyan? So, here's a partial breakdown of the nutrition in wheatgrass. Okay. Ang wheatgrass ay mataas sa amino acids. Amino acids, it helps in nerve repair, also in tissue repair. So, yung mga may sugat, kaya nga ang atake niya, yung diabetes, yung blood sugar, nino-normalize niya. Kasi pag mataas ang blood sugar natin, mabagal ang tissue and nerves repair. Mabagal. So, makakatulong si wheatgrass na nasa Restore natin. It has high in vitamin C. It is high in vitamin C. Also in vitamin B. Okay, B complex particularly. Also, mataas sa vitamin C ang wheatgrass. Vitamin E as well. Sa goji, sa barley, hindi sila medyo walang vitamin E, but wheatgrass is very rich in vitamin E. Okay? Calcium, yun. Okay? Mataas ang chlorophyll content. Pareho ng barley at wheatgrass. Mataas. And ang chlorophyll pala, nakakatulong, mataas pala ito ang chlorophyll. I found out in my research na number 1, malaking factor din na meron siyang antibacterial function. So nakakatulong din sa inflammation. So meron din siyang anti-inflammation function. Ganon din antibacterial function. So best yung ating Restore for people who are usually suffering from o suffers. Meron siyang recurring na tinatawag na recurring UTI. May issue sa kidney, may issue sa pagwiwi, no? Malaking bagay si Restore. And then very high in iron, that's blood health and vital body functions. Si wheatgrass na nasa Restore natin. So, magnesium again. Remember, mataas sa magnesium si barley, mataas sa magnesium si wheatgrass. And magnesium is also good for the nerves, muscles, and protection of DNA. Okay, remember, magnesium is the number 1 protector of our cellular membrane. Yung skin, no? Yung skin ng bawat cell, pinoproteksyonan niya. Yung magnesium, pinapalakas na yan. Yung bawat cell, yung skin ng bawat cell, para hindi siya pasukin ng virus, microbes, or germs, etc. or ng free radicals. So, the synergistic advantage of 24 Green Restore. Kung mapapansin ninyo, pinag-usapan natin yung tungkol sa goji, pinag-usapan natin yung tungkol sa wheatgrass, pinag-usapan natin yung tungkol sa barley. Ito ang good news. Lahat po yan nasa ating 24 Green Restore. Yung strength and nutritional value ng barley, yung strength and nutritional value ng goji berries, yung strength and nutritional value ng wheatgrass. Lahat yan nasa ating 24 Green Restore. So, Sabi ko nga, balikan ko yung tanong kanina. Sino dito ang madalas dinadalaw ng constipation? Sino dito ang madalas may joint pains? Sino sa inyo, sino dito, sa mga naka-tune in, ang madalas may stomach issue, hindi natutunawan? Okay? Well, kung may nagdi-dinner dyan, kumakain dyan, pansinin ninyo, number one barometer natin, yung dumi natin. Okay, before I end. Tingnan nyo yung dumi nyo. Pag ang dumi ninyo nakalubog, automatically hindi na-absorb ng katawan natin through our villi. Okay? Yung villi sa loob ng gastro or small intestine. Hindi niya na-absorb lahat ng nutrients. Meaning kailangan mong mag-cleansing. Meaning kailangan mong magkaroon ng gastro detoxification. And number one ang makakatulong sa inyo pagdating sa gastro issue, sa large intestine issue, and sa ating kidney issue, ang ating 24 Green Restore. So kung ako sa inyo, together with our 24 Alkaline C, together with our Alka White, yung ating Alka White, and isama nyo lagi si Restore. Take Restore every day. No? Huwag kayo magpapawala nang hindi kayo nagtitake ng Restore. One sachet has the potency of barley grass, wheatgrass, and goji berries. Again, tatanong, okay? Ang SRP natin ng Restore is 750. If you are a dealer, it's only 450. Ito ang good news. If you are stockist, you get 3% less from the distributor price. Suggestion ko, become a stockist. Okay, become a stockist for you to maximize your income here in MCOR. Pag stockist ka, we have 9 ways or 10 ways of earning, pang plus 1 mo yan if you become a stockist. Okay? Yun. Thank you very much. May clip ba yun? Okay ba yun? Wait. I'll stop sharing. Yun. Stop sharing na ako. So, kung naintindihan, please type 1. Yung mga nakaunawa, please type 1. Come on. And I'm also, after typing 1, I'm also open to some questions. Konting QA before we end. You can, yan. Come on. Wow, thank you for that. Ano ba yung questions? Unmute po kayo if you want to excited. Yeah. Unmute kayo if you want to, I'll be entertaining at least 3 questions. Hello? Wow. One. Wow. Admission of particular will start in, okay, empowering day. Okay. I'll be entertaining 3 questions. At least 3. Please unmute if you want to ask a question with regards to our Restore or yung paggamit ng Restore. Okay, ako na magsasabi. 1 sachet of Restore a day is okay. Okay, if you want to take at least 2 to 3 times a day or at least umaga, tanghali, hapon, you take Restore, that's also okay. Substitute yan kaysa mag-soft drinks ka. Okay? At least yan hindi acidic. Yung ating Restore hindi acidic. Anti-acidity pa yan. Okay? Ang Restore natin is a very good blood thinner. Remember, if you succumb or nagpa-check up ka, nagpa-assess ka using our QRMA, makikita natin doon yung blood viscosity mo. Pag malapot ang iyong blood viscosity or mataas ang value niyan, lampas ka sa borderline. Borderline. Merong low borderline, merong high borderline. Pag hindi ka pasok dyan sa borderline, meaning there is an issue sa lapot, labnaw ng dugo mo. So you need to take Restore. Okay, I'm open to questions. Come on, unmute. Pwede po kayo mag-unmute. Coach Marife, can you take over?
DP, pwede po yan sa buntis?
Oh yes, of course. Ano lang yan, mas maganda nga yan para sa buntis. Kasi ang buntis kadalasan dumadanas ng constipation. It is an all-natural, 100% organic juice drink with the potency of 3 superfruits or 1 superfruit and 2 supergrass. No? Yung ating wheatgrass, barley grass, and the goji. 2 more questions. Pwedeng mag-unmute kung nahiya. Coach Marife, FC Marife, kindly read the question kung meron.
VP, mayroon po tayong question dito na nabasa, no? Tinatanong po na kung pwede po ba ang ating restore sa ulcer?
Oo nga. Diba, balikan natin. Wait. Balikan ko, ha? Okay, number 1. Teka lang, ha? Balikan ko para makita. Okay. Good question yan. Basa. Okay. Si-share ko lang. Nasaan yung ating Zoom? Teka lang. So, yun. Wait, ha? Sharing screen again. Okay. I'll share my screen again. Okay. Kung makikita natin dito, ito, kindly sundan nyo po yung aking cursor. Wag na. Ito na lang. Okay. Ulcer. Okay. Ayan, oh. Ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis is not in the gastro. Nasa stomach yan, eh. Stomach issue yan. Pwede yan sa may ulcer. Again, okay, I'll stop sharing. Sagutin ko na, maayos. Okay, pwede yan sa may ulcer. Pero, mas maganda kung gagamitan mo yan ng alkaline water. Use alkaline water instead of using yung mga distilled water, instead of using yung purified water lang. Mas maganda alkaline water. It also helps in detoxifying our system. Another question, ako nagtatanong. Okay lang ba na malamig yan? Iinumin niya na malamig? Yes, okay lang. Wag not too much ice in it para hindi makaapekto ng sa stomach lining mo. Yung tamang lamig lang, yung eksaktong temperature ng pagka tinimpla si Restore. Another question.
VP, mayroon pa po tayong 3 more questions. Okay. Ito po, good morning VP Mike. Pwede po ba sa nagda-dialysis 2 times a week? Limit po ang intake ng water. Thanks.
Okay. Pwede naman yan. Kung ililimit, ang usual na nagda-dialysis sa mga pharmaceutical doctors, yung mga nephrologists, binibigyan nila ng maximum 1 liter per day lang ang pasyente. Nakakaawa eh. Pero sa totoo lang, kung bibigyan ka ng 1 liter per day, yung isang baso, timplahin mo na yung isang sachet ng Restore natin.
VP Mike, another question po. Sa isang taong may high blood na may iniinom syempre na maintenance, ilan po ang dapat na dosage ng ating Restore? Ilang beses po siya iinom per day?
Well, hypertension yan eh. Ano yung BP niya? Can you pwede mo malaman kung ano yung usual BP niya na mataas? Meron ba?
Ma'am Fairy Test, pwede pong pakichat kung ano yung pinakamataas niya na blood pressure. So habang hinihintay po natin yung sagot ni Ma'am Tess, mayroon pa tayong another question, VP. Pwede po ba yung ating Restore sa lactating women?
Actually, sinagot ko na yan. Yung lactating women, madalas siyang constipated pa. Yan ang issue ng pagkabuntis eh. Nahihirapan silang umire. So, mas maganda makakatulong yan. Especially sa disposal nila. May sagot dito eh. Pwede po ba ito sa malapot yung dugo? Magandang ang blood thinner ang Restore eh. Because of barley, wheatgrass. Magandang blood thinner si Restore. Hindi ka na kailangan, yung iba sabi nila, hindi, pure barley ako. Di ba mas maganda yung synergistic effect ng ating Restore? May barley ka na, may Restore ka pa, may goji ka pa. Goji is considered as anti-cancer berry. Tapos meron ka pang dalawa na potent na wheatgrass tsaka barley. So, mag-Restore ka na lang. Para sa akin, ha?
VP, dun po sa ating may hypertension kanina, yung
Oh.
kanyang pinakamataas po na blood pressure is 140/90.
Di pa mataas yan. Kung i-share ko yung blood pressure ko, pinakamataas 220/180, 190. Pero ano pa ako noon, okay pa ako. Pero syempre, iba yung feeling ko. No? However, yung highest mo, 140/90. Ilan taon na po ito si Fairy Test? Babae ito, sigurado. No? Usually, pag babae, 90, 100, over 110, 120, or 100, parang ganun. Pero ilang taon na siya? Can you type? How old are you? Or how young are you? Oh, 62. Pwede yan. Pwede yan. Ang suggestion ko nga, mas maganda yan na huwag nyo nang tanggalin sa capsula yung ating vitamin C, yung ating 24 alkaline C. Combine nyo na. And if you have also alka white, ang suggestion ko, ang alka white nga 202 eh. 2 morning, 2 evening. Pero in normal cases, pwede kang mag 101 or 111. Nga lang kung medyo may problema, especially mga mataas FC Intong, di ba? Pag may na-check up tayo, na-assess tayo, medyo mataas yung kanyang fatty liver. Binibigyan ko yun talaga ng 222 ng ating alka white. So yung 222 magko-consume siya ng 6 bottles or 6 bottles in yung first month niya. May question pa tayo. Galing kay Fairy Lou. The store alone, but for all MCore products. Why the number number 24? Actually, yung number 24 meron niyang halong swerte sa company. So 24 meaning 24 hours. All day long na protection. Kaya nga 24 alkaline C. So all day long protektado tayo, 'di ba? 24/7. Yun naman sa atin, isa labas 24/7, sa atin 24. That's 24 hours, meaning all day long we are protected. So yung produkto natin, ang protection na binibigay niyan, 24 hours. Kaya yan 24. Naitanong ko na rin yan dati when I was last March. More questions? Sige lang. Keep it coming. No problem. Welcome. Thank you. Welcome. Fairy Lou. So, Coach Maria Fe, FC Maria Fe, tingnan mo kung meron pa questions. If not, I'll be gladly conclude this Zoom meeting, and then I will be suggesting na starting today at least one sachet per day of the store. Paalala, meron na naman. Okay. Uric acid. Taas ng uric acid niya, 7.3, cholesterol 220. Constipated din po. So Fairy test May. Okay. Okay. Si Fairy test May ba ay na-meet ko na personal? Thank you much. BP Mike. Mama loves. Thank you then. Welcome. Si Fairy test ba ay na-meet ko na personal? Dumaan ka na ba? Na-check up na ba namin ikaw? Dumaan ka na sa QRMA, Fairy test? Are you from where? Can you type or pwede ka mag-unmute para madali yung ating conversation? Take over, FC Maria Fe.
Ma'am Tess, itong sa cholesterol mo na 220, gusto po naming malaman kung hawak mo po ang iyong laboratory result, pwede po bang malaman yung HDL at saka LDL kung ano po yung nakalagay? Kasi baka mamaya ito pong cholesterol na nakalagay po is total cholesterol. So, kailangan natin malaman yung LDL, which is the bad cholesterol.
Nga pala, medtech itong midway pala itong ating co-anchor dito. Good job. Total cholesterol. Di pa po. Sige lang. Sagutin ko to si Fairy test May. Di pa po. Hindi ko pa pala siya na-meet. Time po ako nag-attend ng Zoom. Okay. Hindi pa pala. Mas maganda ma-meet kita personal and then dumaan ka sa aming ating medical wellness assessment para makasure tayo. Invite po ako ni Ma'am Fairy test. Okay. Sino to? Okay. You're a first timer? Yung kausap namin? Are you a first timer or already a member? Or new here, bago dito sa MCore? Mama Labs po. Marites Barker. Oo nga. Copy. Thank you, FC Roxanne. Paano po ba mag-consult sa inyo? Well, you can ask Mama Labs or FC Marites Barker kung paano mag-consult. Mataas creatinine. Pwede, of course, pwede sa restore mataas ang creatinine. Ganito lang yan. Pag mataas ang creatinine, yung nagtanong, Ma'am Crescencia, anong blood type po nyo? Yung mataas ang creatinine. Anong blood type niya? Can you type? What's your blood type? Napakahalaga po na malaman yung blood type nyo. This coming Saturday, meron tayong B+. Okay. Meron tayong QRMA intensive training this coming Saturday. So this will be around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. This will only take at least less than an hour, 45 minutes, the most siguro. If you are B+, okay, you should be a vegetarian, at least a vegetarian, no? Pero mataas ang creatinine mo, kung vegetarian ka, babawas ka ng there are two proteins, animal protein, vegetable protein. You should be taking more of the vegetable protein and less of the animal protein, especially yung fat content niya. Kasi ang blood type mo is B. A po ako. I have the worst blood type because I have to be 90 to at least 90% vegetarian. Ang naging diet ko noon, imagine nagkaroon ako ng acute pancreatitis, nagkaroon ako ng severe fatty liver, enlargement of the heart, nagkaroon ako ng gastro issue, colon issue, because ang diet ko balik mali. Kasi vegetarian ang blood type ko eh. Remember, there are 4 blood types. A, B, and O. Different blood type. Magkakaiba po ng ano yan, ng stomach acid. Iba ng body structure yan, body chemistry, iba. So, if I am A and you are B, we are almost the same. Dapat tayo more on vegetable protein, less of animal protein. So, may protein po sa urine. Exactly. Pag mataas ang creatinine, mataas ang proteinuria. No, mataas ang proteinuria pag mataas ang creatinine. So, definitely, listen pag mataas ang creatinine at pag sumobrang taas po yan, ang uwi niyan, okay, yung ating kidney, kung ganyan, kidney, imagine this is the kidney, nagsishrink. Pag nag-shrink yan, automatically magmamalfunction po ang kidney. Pag nag-malfunction ang kidney, alam niyo na kung saan pupunta. Dialysis yan. Mahihirapan na yung katawan ninyo na magkaroon ng proper detoxification. Mahihirapan ng ating liver. So, if liver is the largest filtration system or organ, sumusunod ang ating kidney. There are 2 kidneys. Remember. Okay? Baka po kayo kaya mataas ang creatinine niyo, may issue sa kidney. Ang tawag nito, adrenaline gland nasa ibabaw ng kidney, 2 kidney. Nandiyan ang adrenaline gland. Madalas kayong laging aligaga, alam niyo yung mga taong aligaga, yung laging tensionado, yan, nagkakaproblema number 1 sa kidney. Yun, para ho bumaba ang inyong proteinuria or creatinine, less of the, starting today, 50% less of animal protein intake, especially mga oily and fatty. Bawasan na rin po natin yung mga, yung mga canned foods, tsaka processed foods, hanggat maaari. Okay, yung mga high salt intake, bawasan natin. Doc Mike, ask ko lang kung makatulong ang Restore. Of course, sa pag-ubo, actually, my son diagnosed ng TB. Ilan taon po anak nyo? Kung TB yan, that's above 18. Eh, 6 months nga gamutan yan. May ibang ginagamit na gamot siya. May particular for tuberculosis. Katatapos niya lang ng 6 months. Gamutan provided. Oh, makakatulong to. Sobrang makakatulong po si Restore kasi it will boost your, yung anak po niyo, son, no? Makakatulong yan sa pag-boost ng immune system niya. Papataasin yung kanyang well-being. Especially yung holistic ang approach ng ating ng ating ng ating Restore. Mas maganda, if I may suggest, yung Restore, wag lang Restore. Samahan natin ng vitamin C. Kailangan ma-full alkalize yung system natin. Vitamin C, Restore, yung ating 24 alkaline C, plus the Alka White para yung strengthening ng ating liver. So, ganun po yung approach natin dyan, not just Restore. Pakibasa FC Marife, pakibasa yung iba.
Okay, VP, another question po from Fairy Tess. Meron din po siyang osteoporosis at saka meron po siyang chronic back and shoulder pain. Ito po daw yung kanyang main problem for 8 years.
Siya yung may blood type B, right? This is based on MRI result, okay? Hope to consult all my health problems for proper guideline on what are the appropriate supplement to take. At present, okay, I'm taking 24 alkaline C. Okay, yung nagtanong na yan, ganito lang yan. Imagine this is a glass. Okay, I'm holding a glass. Okay. Kung ilang taon ka na, yung glass puno ng, lagay ka ng toxin. free radicals, pollution, air, water, noise, stress. Exactly. Ngayon, listen. Ang protocol namin as naturopathy physicians, no? Doctor is different from physician. It's almost the same. Explain ko later. Sa Sabado na lang. Yung toxin na yan ang isa sa reason kung bakit tayo may sakit. Punong-puno na ng toxin ng katawan. First protocol that we do, we submit to detoxification, proper detoxification. We detoxify the blood, the liver, the intestines, large and small intestine. Kailangan ma-detoxify yan. And meron kayong part po dyan. No? Kailangan yung food intake, i-regulate. Kailangan din po yung supplementation, magkaroon ng tamang supplementation. Yung pagbaba kasi pag may health issue ka na, automatically, walking time bomb tayo. Ba't ko sinasabi? Kung patuloy ka nagtitake ng toxins sa katawan mo na hindi mo alam toxins pala, you will feel those pains. You will feel those health issues. You will have those health issues. That's natural. So, refrain muna. So, if your blood type is B, tulad na sinabi ko, yung nagtanong kay Fairy Test May, yung nagtanong dyan, kung blood type mo ay B, automatically, lower your animal protein intake. Tapos, kailangan mo ng food, ng vegetable intake. Now, again, yung gabi po, yung kain sa gabi, yun ang issue natin. Okay? Yung kain sa gabi, yung dinner na sobrang, yung maraming kanin, yung maraming kinain sa gabi, yan ang issue na nagbibigay nagpapataas ng ating health, nagbibigay ng health issues. Mataas ang factor na nagbibigay yan ng problema sa ating health. Okay? Yung like ko sinasabi, cheat meal natin tanghali kasi tutunawin pa yan hanggang gabi. Okay. One more. No more?
Okay, baka mayroon pang gustong magtanong. Nako, ano natin to, samantalahin natin yung pagkakataon kasi napakagaling po nating speaker, of course. Doc Mike.
So I think no more. Wala na magtatanong. Now, I'll be promoting our Saturday event. It's all about it's a lecture. No, it's not a lecture. It's more of an intensive training, but it's not a lecture type. Meron din itong Q&A or whatever. I'll be glad to give you or impart you kung ano yung meron sa Saturday about QRMA, about your blood type, about everything sa health natin. Hindi natin ibibigay, hindi natin, ang tawag nito, 2 sessions yan. 2 sessions yan. Ask your uplines, ask your leaders about the Saturday event. After I think we have Saturday, meron tayong boss Saturday. After the boss, yun na, meron tayong event. Yung QRMA, intensive training. Yeah. Here in the office, in MCOR HQ. So, kung wala lang questions, thank you very much everyone for attending. We have 114 attendees. Time check, it's already 9:15. We are less than an hour presentation and umabot tayo ng 9:15. FC Marife, umabot tayo ng 9:15 kasama ang ating Q&A portion. Back to you, Coach Marife.
Okay. Ayan, thank you so much po, VP. Maraming salamat po. Napakarami po nating natutunan ngayon. And I hope ito sa ating mga business partners, ayan, sipagan po natin ang po-promote ng ating Restore. Napakarami po ng kanyang health benefits. Actually, isa po sa sister ko na may breast cancer, ang natulungan po talaga ng ating Restore. Ayan, so maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito ngayon. Ayan, VP, thank you so much po.
You're welcome. All of you are welcome.
Okay, magbe-picture daw muna.
Sige. Okay. Picture tayo. MCOR sign. Creatives, okay na? Sir Lester, okay na? I think it's okay na. So, okay, Coach Marife, go ahead.
Ayan, good
Thank you
night
very
po
much for
sa lahat.
attending. See you
Thank you so
sa
much
mga
po.
susunod.